Good morning, everyone. I hope all of you are fine. I'm sorry, first of all, for not standing and teaching you today because I have a toe injury. So, today we are going to start discussing one of the short stories that is there in your syllabus, which is The Scarecrow, written by Satyajit Ray, and which is there in the syllabus of class 12 alternative English. So the short story The Scarecrow was written by Satyajit Ray, who was a Bengali and is famous for his supernatural elements in his writings. So The Scarecrow is also one of the short stories which has a lot of supernatural elements, mystery, magic, horror, fantasy in it, and Satyajit Ray was famous for his mystery and fantasy, and hence he follows this genre of writing, and he has also awarded with Dada Saheb Phalke award and also this Bharat Ratna award. So in this story, The Scarecrow, we see first scene, we see the protagonist Mriganko Babu. Protagonist first of all means the hero of the story. So this protagonist Mriganko Babu, a famous author. Mriganko Babu is also a famous author in this particular short story. Is stranded in the middle of nowhere on the road when his car runs out of petrol. So he sends his driver Sudhir to fetch petrol while he was waiting in his car. He is on his way back to Calcutta from Durgapur because he was being felicitated this morning for one of his piece of art. So he lights a cigarette and starts observing the surroundings. So when his driver Sudhir went to take petrol, what Mriganko Babu did was he came out of his car and he was moving in the road and he lit a cigarette and started to observe the surroundings. It is the month of January and all plants have been removed. So it is the month of January when Mriganko Babu was called for the felicitation program, and we understand that in January what happens is, like in isolated places, like where there are fields of rice or grains, we see that in January what happens, people cut the grains and the fields become stranded, like মাঠের মধ্যে ওই যে ফিল্ড, যেগুলো প্যাডি ফিল্ডস থাকে, আমাদের রাইস ফিল্ডস থাকে, এগুলোতে কি হয়, ধান চাষ হয়ে যাওয়ার পরে এই প্যাডি ফিল্ডসগুলো সব পুরো খালি থাকে। And one thing that you need to know in this chapter is that the meaning of the scarecrow আমরা যাকে বাংলায় বলি কাকতাড়ুয়া. Scarecrow is made in the shape of human beings to make the birds scared so that they avoid coming to the fields and destroy the grains. So এরকম একটা কাকতাড়ুয়া, the very the title itself gives a kind of supernatural sense to the story. So Mriganko Babu একটা সিগারেট জ্বালিয়ে রাস্তার পাশে দাঁড়িয়ে he starts observing the surroundings because he doesn't know where he was standing at that point in time. দুই সাইডে গাড়ির দুই পাশে স্ট্যান্ডার্ড ফিল্ডস, মাঝখানে গাড়ি দাঁড়িয়ে আছে, গাড়ির পেট্রোল নেই আর গাড়ির ড্রাইভার গেছে পেট্রোল আনতে, and in that particular place Mriganko Babu was stuck there and there was no one around him, and he starts to notice things around him. So, and all plants have been removed, leaving miles of barren lands. So সব field থেকে গাছটা সব কেটে নেওয়া হয়েছে, and there are only barren lands everywhere in both the sides of the roads. There are 2 huts seen with no people. So Mriganka Babu saw 2 huts, small huts we see in village. So Mriganka Babu saw 2 huts with no people. কোনো মানুষ নেই, দুটো ছোট ছোট বাড়ি আছে, দুটো ছোট ছোট হাট আছে। In the middle of the field is a scarecrow, and suddenly he noticed that এক পুরো ফিল্ডের মাঝখানে একটা স্কেয়ারক্রো দাঁড়িয়ে আছে, একটা কাকতাড়ুয়া। Mriganka Babu returns to his car and starts reading a detective novel. So Mriganka Babu was standing in the middle of the road. He was noticing things around, and suddenly he saw 2 huts with no sign of human beings and a scarecrow in the middle of the field. একটা কাকতাড়ুয়া ফিল্ডের মাঝখানে দাঁড়িয়ে আছে. This actually, when you picturize this thing, you understand a little bit of supernatural element, the presence of supernatural element, and this particular scene. কেউ নেই রাস্তার মধ্যে, নির্জন একটা জায়গার মধ্যে একজন মানুষ দাঁড়ানো, আশেপাশে কোনো মানুষ নেই, ছোট ছোট দুটো হাট. It seemed to us like we are watching a horror film, the plot of a horror film. So Mriganka Babu, when he saw the scarecrow, he returns to his car and he starts reading a detective novel. He is all alone, but no one on their way has stopped to help him. And ওই রাস্তার মধ্যে কেউ নেই, কোনো মানুষ নেই. There was no one who came forward to help Mriganka Babu and his driver. He started cursing the Bengalis. So he was sitting inside the car and he started cursing people, cursing the Bengalis, that no one comes to help them and all. And he is unable to concentrate on reading, and so takes a book and starts jotting down some points related to a plot. So he starts to write some points related to a plot, probably his next piece of art. He climbs out of the car again, and it is because it was very boring for him to sit inside the car for such a long time. So he gets out and started roaming around again. He looks at the scarecrow again. So আবার Mriganka Babu গাড়ি থেকে নেমে গেল and গিয়ে he started looking at the scarecrow. It is a vertical bamboo pole with a horizontal one fixed to it. একটা vertical, একটা horizontal, দুটো bamboo একটার সঙ্গে একটা fix করে রাখা. A torn shirt is slipped onto it, and an earthen pot is placed upside down. So scarecrow আমরা জানি কাকতাড়ুয়া কিরকম বানায়, দুটো এরকম বাঁশ দুটো একসঙ্গে জয়েন করে একটা শার্ট লাগিয়ে, একটা কলসি, একটা ঘটি যেটাকে আমরা বলি মাটির হাড়ি, ওইটাকে মাথার উপরে দিয়ে, and then the people draw faces to make it looks very scary to the birds, especially to the crows. So Mriganka Babu was observing, and he was like noting down every detail of the scarecrow. So we saw the shirt that was there and the pot also, and Mriganka Babu painted. So when Mriganka Babu was looking at the scarecrow, he was noticing the pot that was there, and when he saw the pot, Mriganka Babu saw that the pot is painted black, পুরো পটটা কালো রং করা, and the pot has big eyes, huge eyes drawn with white paint. So Mriganka Babu starts thinking how weird it is that birds get scared of this figure. So he was looking at this particular pot and the scarecrow, and it probably seemed funnier to him, and he was actually understanding why the birds get scared of this kind of a figure. And he also tries to figure out why dogs don't mistake it for humans, and he again justifies himself that dogs could smell the humans and wonders if birds do have the ability to smell. He sees the scarecrow is wearing a torn red and black printed shirt. It reminds him of someone. He is sure that it has seen someone wearing that shirt. So, Mriganko Babu was noticing the details of the scarecrow when he suddenly notices the shirt. First of all, he was thinking about the birds, that why the birds get scared of such a thing, and why dogs don't get scared, or dogs don't think that this scarecrow is a human. And then he justifies himself, thinking that dogs can smell human beings and probably birds cannot. So he was analyzing the ability of the birds and their way of smelling things, and suddenly he notices the shirt that was there on the scarecrow, and he understood that it reminded him of somebody, and he has probably seen this shirt somewhere. So he drinks some tea from the flask and feels a bit warmer. So what happens is, he goes inside the car, he takes the flask and drinks some tea. He notices some change in the appearance of the scarecrow and his heart beats faster. So suddenly he saw, when he was drinking tea, suddenly he saw that scarecrow aste aste shape change ho gache. Suddenly the scarecrow's shape was changed, and it suddenly you picturize the scenario where you see something and you are analyzing things. Suddenly you see that the particular thing is changing from nowhere. So this actually gave him a little shock. He was scared, and he was trying to understand what was happening. So Mriganko Babu was looking at this scarecrow and is analyzing things. Suddenly he saw there was some change in the appearance of the scarecrow, and it gave him it actually made his heart beat faster, and it actually shocked him. And you understand the scenario where suddenly you are noticing something and there are some changes in that particular thing. It actually gives a ghostly appearance. It actually give you a feeling. আমরা যখন বাড়িতে আমাদের সঙ্গে অনেক সময় এরকম হয়, it happens to me all the time. Whenever I'm watching a horror story, you feel like after some time you feel like there are ghosts around you. So this is the kind of supernatural elements that Satyajit Ray put in his stories. So what happens is, this change of appearance and its heart, after seeing the change of appearance in the scarecrow, Mriganko Babu's heart started beating faster, and it slowly taking shape of a man, and he saw that the scarecrow is slowly taking shape of a human being. He lights another cigarette and starts thinking about the possibility of a scarecrow coming to life. He now sees that it has another leg, and that is it limping towards him. Instead of the earthen pot, now it has a human head. It still has the same shirt and a slightly dirty dhoti. So now Mriganko Babu was little tensed, and he was thinking the possibility of this scarecrow turning into a human being or having a life. And he slowly sees that he lit another cigarette, and he slowly sees that this scarecrow now has a human face, human head instead of the pot, and he is wearing the same shirt but with a dirty dhoti. And the scarecrow calls him out. Now the scarecrow was calling Mriganko Babu, Babu, with a human voice. Now recognize the voice. Now what happens is Miganko Babu suddenly, after hearing this call from the scarecrow, Babu, he recognized the voice. It was the voice of Abhiram. Abhiram, who had been Miganko Babu's servant. So now he remembers Abhiram, who was Miganko Babu's servant once. Miganko Babu recollects Abhiram's hometown is close to the place where he is now. And suddenly Miganko Babu realizes that he was standing near the village of Abhiram, his servant. He is so terrified and leans heavily against his car. And suddenly when he realizes that voice is Abhiram's, he was so terrified, এত ভয় পেয়ে গেছে, and suddenly he got leaned in his car, কারের সঙ্গে গিয়ে গাড়ির সঙ্গে ধাক্কা খেয়ে নিয়েছে, এত ভয় পেয়েছে. The scarecrow is now much closer to him and asks if Babu can recognize him, and the scarecrow starts moving in front of Miganko Babu, and Babu সামনে আস্তে আস্তে, and it came really close to Miganko Babu and asked him whether he remembers him or not. He also says that he recognized because of the shirt which he had bought for Abhiram in the past. Miganko Babu recognized him as Abhiram. So, Miganko Babu, by that shirt, he recognized that it was Abhiram, and because of the shirt, because it was the shirt which was bought by Miganko Babu for Abhiram. Abhiram says that he was quite innocent and questions Babu why he didn't believe him. Babu recollects the past. So what happens is, this scarecrow comes near Miganko Babu and starts asking him questions that why didn't he believe Abhiram then? Why these things happened to him in the past, and Miganko Babu started recollecting the past memories, and we as readers still do not know what has happened to Abhiram or why he has the shape of a scarecrow, and this story little by little becomes, the intensity of the horror and the supernatural elements become really interesting in this story.